Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about the Add to Cart feature inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. And before we begin, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also check out the description section as well as for some really cool resources. And so the first thing that I want to do is just go over to the ClickFunnels changelog and just read about the add to cart functionality. So if we scroll down here, we have enhance your store with add to cart purchases. And just going along, it says, we built this feature to improve the shopping experience by enabling add to cart purchases directly within the store app. Our goal is to provide a seamless and flexible purchase flow, allowing customers to add multiple items to their cart with ease. Get ready to elevate your store's functionality. So the key features and benefits include add to cart. Users can now enable add to cart purchases, letting customers add items to their cart for streamlined shopping. Flexible purchase flow, allow customers to purchase, add multiple items, and purchase in a single transaction for a smoother checkout experience. And then improved customer experience, enhance the shopping journey by offering an intuitive, familiar cart feature. This feature brings added flexibility to your store, creating a more engaging and efficient shopping experience. So this is really cool. And this whole add to cart feature is so big that even ClickFunnels on their homepage has included this add to cart functionality. So it's, I think in like one of their past emails, they talked about how it's been like 10 years since this feature has been in like development or in talks and whatnot. So it's finally here, which is exciting stuff. So what I want to do is I want to go back over to my ClickFunnels account right here and walk through how to add this new functionality inside of your store. And so the first thing that I want to do is I want to go over here to the left-hand side and then go over to stores and then go to overviews, which will take you right here. And then we're going to go to customize store. And I'm following the instructions that ClickFunnels has provided inside their Knowledge Hub. So I'll make sure that it's linked to the description section as well, so you could easily reference it. Also, so what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our storefront, which is right here. And then we're going to, let's see. We're going to go over to the left-hand side and click on products. And then this is the product. And then we want to go over here to this element right here. So we currently have it, but to add the add to cart element, we're going to click add element. And then we're going to do scroll over to checkout. And then this add to cart right here. So that's everything that you need to do. Now you can adjust the appearance of the add to cart element just by clicking into it. And then over here on the right hand side, you can adjust the font, the headline color, description, and so forth. But for right now, what I'm going to do is just delete that since I already have it added. And then I'll just click save. Now, the next thing that we need to do is we need to add the cart icon to our store. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the store front and we're going to select the page that we want it to be, which is this page right here. You could also do on the collections page as well. But what I want to do is I want to edit this universal section right here. And I already have this icon, this cart icon, but we just add the element. We go to checkout. And then this cart icon, we just make sure that's added. So what I'll do is I'll just delete the second one since I already have it, and I'll just save it. And then actually, let's go back to the universal section and click on this element one more time. And you can change basically like customize this cart icon element if you like to. So for example, the icon style, icon color, alignment, and so forth. So let's go back to our storefront. The next step, this is step number 3, is we're going to customize the cart review modal. So what we're going to do is go over here to the left-hand side and click on cart. And then it'll be right here. If we just click on this, this is the cart review modal. And at the top, we could choose between normal cart preview or empty cart preview. And then we could customize the settings if need be, like the backdrop color, container color, font family, divider height, divider color, and so forth. So what we're going to do is we're going to click save. And let's go back, and then we're going to open up our options over here on the left-hand side. And step 4 is we're going to set up our checkout page. So we're going to click on checkout right here on the left-hand side. And then we just want to make sure that the following elements are included, including the order summary. So if we go over here to the bottom, we have the order summary down here below, and then this checkout over here on the right hand side. So making sure that those two things are added. There is an important note. It says do not use the checkout legacy element as it is not compatible with the new cart functionality. So that's just something to keep in mind. So if you're trying to figure out which one's the most updated checkout element and which one's the legacy, you could just go to checkout. And then if we go over here, so we have the order summary, which is legacy, and then checkout legacy, it'll say legacy. So that's the old ones. We want the checkout right here, and then the order summary right here. Now you can customize it if you click into the element. You could click on any of these elements right here. Just look. Yeah, so basically you could click on, let's say for the button example, you could update this to be whatever you need it to be, and then also that order summary as well. So with the margin, looks like other items as well. So the last thing is to test the cart and checkout process. And so before your store is live, it's important to test the cart and checkout process to make sure everything is going smoothly. So we're going to go back to ClickFunnels, and then right here with this gear icon, you just want to make sure that the visibility is set to draft. If it is published, you'll just want to click on this down arrow icon and then make sure you select draft. And then what we're going to do is go back to the demo store. And then the last thing to do is to take this URL right here, and you're going to add it to an incognito window and add the parameter question mark preview equals true to your store URL. And so that way you could preview the store. So if we do that here, so what I did was I took the store URL, so this demo455.myclickfunnels.com/store, and then I added that question mark preview equals true in incognito for me to like test this out. And so we have that add to cart icon here on the top right hand corner. So if we click on, let's say this product, for example, and we click add to cart, we added it to the cart. So currently there was 5 before, now there's 6. And then if we go to checkout, you could test through this the checkout process using this. You could use this as the credit card, just as a test payment, and then add the contact information and go through the process. So that is how to add the add to cart functionality inside of your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Happy to help out.